Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Organize and scroll down to Manage SIM. This will then show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default they would all be selected and not grayed out like they are for me. The reason it looks like it looks is because all these contacts exist on the Google account that the actual device is trying to import by default too. But if I can see, I can try. That's a tongue twister for some reason. If you click on this drop-down menu, you can also change it to something else, for instance like the device. And when I do so, all these contacts now become selected and not grayed out because none of them actually exist on the phone itself. They were all on the Google account. You can deselect ones that I don't want from here and click on import when everything is in check that I do want to have imported. And from here, when we go back to our contacts list, you should be able to find them in here. Sometimes you also might need to change the display location, which you can either do from here and choose where you want to display contacts from, or sometimes from here. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.